Our first question is from Mistletoe. She said, "What does Christmas mean to you?"
Christmas is the time to spend time with the ones that you love and treasure. Christmas is the time to spend time with the ones that you love and treasure the most, like friends and family. Christmas is also about the joy, happiness, and the kindness that we learn to share and learn to give.
Our second question comes from Candy King. He asked, "How do you celebrate Christmas?"
We celebrate Christmas is when we go out to pick up a real tree to decorate with lights, ornaments, garland, and finally, we put up a star or an angel on top of the tree. We also decorate both the inside and the outside of the house with lights and our decorations.
Last question comes from Holiday. She said, "Do you have any plans for your Christmas break?"
For my Christmas break, we will be going to the church on December 24th. Then we go to Candy Cane Lane to see the lights on everyone's houses. Next, we come home to watch our favorite Christmas movie while eating some pizza. Finally, before we go to bed, it was the night before Christmas and sing 12 Days of Christmas peanut style.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cast of the series and I would like to say thank you all so much for watching this holiday special episode. We will be taking a holiday break on December 24th to the very end of the month. Hopefully, we will see all of you next time for some wonderful episodes in the third season of the Ash K Puppet series. Goodbye and have a wonderful Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye-bye!
With a thankful heart, with an endless joy, with a growing family, every girl and boy will be nephew and niece to me.
Nephew and niece to me.
Will bring love, hope, and peace to me.
Love,